Hey, welcome back you all. This is Naresh. In this video, we are going to set up a chatbot and we are going to use one of the LLM models along with the chatbot to talk with it and retrieve the information. So this setup does not require any internet connection. But you can run it entirely in your local machine. So this is where you can get started on the LLM space. So to get started, so there is a, a system like there is a company called Chatgpt4All. It- GPT4All, it will allow us to run a different models on our locals, the open source model. So this is providing a chatbot client, so you can go and download it from here. So I'm having a Windows machine, so I have downloaded it in my machine. So once you downloaded that one, you can go and install it in your local machine. So I have it downloaded. So you can, it's a straightforward installation. It will ask you to some settings. So you go and set up or tell where you wanted this software to be installed, and I have it already in my machine, so it's not allowing you to install. So you can select a different machine, different path. Maybe for time being, let me select something, and it will allow you to. It will give some configurations required for it. It will ask you to uh, agreement, and it will allow you to install in your machine, and it is required around 200 MB disk space. So once you install that one, it will create a folder structure like this in your machine. So I have installed under the GPT-4 under my username. So this is the GPT-4, and it will have a different directories. Under this, we have a directory called the bin. So this bin directory have the chat application. When you click on this chat application, it will launch UI like this UI, where it will give you the UI like this. So here, when you click on this one, these three hamburger menu, it will allow you to it will show you download button. So here you can go and click on the downloads button. It will show you the different models, that open source model supported by this GPT-4 for all. So here you can install, you can select a different model. For this demo, I have used this GPT-4 all Falcon model, and also I have installed another model that is for. Okay, for now let's assume that we install only these uh, this GPT-4 all card. So when you click on that install, it will install in your local machine, and it will show you a button like the remove if you wanted to remove. And you can see that it is going to occupy a size of 3.92 GB on your machine, and the RAM requirement, it requires a minimum 8 GB RAM. So that's where it's get installed. So it's going to get installed into your some downloaded into your local path, and then mm, you can use that one. So let's go and check what is there in this directory. So here is the model that we GPT-4 for all Falcon. So it's installed and it is here. So this model we can access using this chatbot we have it. So I have selected the model here. So the model name is GPT-4 for Falcon. So here you have it. We selected the model, then we can go and try to ask the questions. This model, what is what, so to give an example, I am going to ask an example of, okay, what is okay, can you explain and data lake for 5 years old? Yes, 5 years. Yeah, so it's giving that. So data lake. So you see that it maybe take some time, depends on your system configuration, but it is going to give you the uh, mm, uh, answer for your question, whatever you are asking. So this way you run your different large language models in your locals without any setup. So it would be great if we can do all these. As we are developers, we always wanted to run it on our local and explore it, right? This is the best way to get started you to into the LLMs, different LLMs and their configurations. Here, one more thing I wanted to show you in this video is like here there is a configuration button. So when you click on this uh, setup button, it will take you to the different screen where you can see the models, what is the models and what are the configurations. So you can tune those. These models will come up with some parameters. Those parameters you can tune it here. So that way you can say run your LLM in your local model with the configurations using this chatbot provided by the GPT4All. That's it for this video. In the next video, I will try to implement the RAG model with my local data setup. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.